It never waits for a good day, does it? The rent reminder, the car that dies on a Monday, the power bill marked final notice. Suddenly, you're online scrolling through pages that promise instant cash now, like it's some kind of magic button. I get it, you need help fast. But in moments like that, speed isn't your biggest problem. It's who you're trusting. I'm Alex from RadCred, and I've seen this play out hundreds of times. People in genuine need end up paying 5 times what they borrowed, not because they were careless, but because they didn't have time to research. And that's why we built RadCred, to give you the kind of clarity that panic takes away. You tell us what you need. Maybe your rent's short this month, maybe your car needs a new alternator, maybe you just need to keep the lights on. And we show you verified lenders who can actually help. No fake promises, no guaranteed approval nonsense, just real offers from real lenders that you can compare in one place before you decide. Because being broke for a moment is fine. Being blind about it, it's not. Here's the thing, most people don't get into trouble because they borrow. They get into trouble because they borrow from the wrong place. Rent, medical, car repairs, these are normal emergencies. What matters is whether the solution fixes the problem or quietly creates a bigger one. A real emergency loan should feel like a plan, not a panic button. You should know what you'll pay and when, who you're paying it to, and what happens if you need a little more time. Sketchy ones, they skip all that. Just fast money, fast regret. RadCred screens all that noise out. We work only with lenders who actually disclose everything up front, so you know what you're signing before you ever click submit. Here's how it goes. You visit radcred.com, enter your details, income, state, credit situation, and our system scans verified lenders in real time and shows you actual offers that you can qualify for, side by side. You pick what makes sense for your timeline. Many of them even offer same-day funding because we know emergencies don't wait. It's not about avoiding loans, it's about avoiding traps. Every loan comes with a cost. The difference is whether that cost buys you time to breathe or keeps you gasping for the next paycheck. We built RadCred so that when life throws that next unexpected hit, you already know where to turn. And if you're in a tight spot, rent, bills, repairs, whatever it is, don't roll the dice with some random website. Go to radcred.com, see your emergency loan options, and then make the decision that feels safe, not rushed. Because the only thing worse than an emergency is borrowing your way into another one.